location. This is the newsstand for the former City Hall station. So this is one of the only relics that are still standing. The newsstand is still open after a lot of years. So this is the old newsstand that still stands. And the intersection of Murray Street and Steve Flanders Square. And it's also Broadway. So this is the hatch for the former City Hall station. A part of the old building still stands here. And it's a really cool relic that you can still find near the Tweed Courthouse at the edge of City Hall Park. So this is our third location, which is right by the old hatch of the former City Hall station. So it's right here. So this is a window that lights up part of the station. So the part that it lights up is, it lights up so if you see pictures of it in like the mezzanine, you can see a circular rose window, and this is what so you can see this part on the surface, that this is what lights it up, this part. This is what the old City Hall station looked like. As you can see, it's very fancy. The goal was to impress the customers when they entered the station. I'm going to show you some footage that I recorded when I went through the station. Location number 5 is Wirt Street Station. Station number 6 is 18th Street Station. So this is the Gimbels passage, which led to the Gimbels department store. And here's a quick subway fact up here. So up there, so that Guastavino tile was installed in 1909. So this is a really old passage that is now closed, but it's right here. So now you can see it.